Alright. 2 times a number, 2x, decreased by 16. I'll put that over here. Decreased by 16 is equal to 28. 2 times a number decreased by 16 is equal to 28. Our variable x is going to be our number. And now we just have to solve. So I'm going to add the 16 to both sides. I'm going to get 2x is equal to 44. So x will be equal to 22. Find two consecutive even integers whose sum is 168. So x is our first number. Now our equation, if x is the first number, and I add the second number because we want the sum, I need that sum to be 178. Well, the next number is x and then 2 more than that. You know, like 10 and 12, 24, 26, 36, 38. First number, 2 more than that. Consecutive even integers. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 178 minus 2. I get 2x is equal to 176 divided by 2. That's going to be 88. This is my first number. So my second number is the next even number, or x plus 2. The sum of a number, x is going to be my number, the sum of a number plus 1/3 that number is 40. What's the number? So I add 4/3 x is equal to 40. I'm going to show you my super fancy pants way to do fractions. We multiply by 3, both sides, cancels on this side, 4x is equal to 120, because we have to multiply the 40 by 3. Divide by 4, x is equal to 30. Fantastic. So, multiply the bottom number off, divide the top number off, all done. 25 and 26. We have the Baker family. They're buying new flooring for their house, $6.50 per square yard. X is going to be the square yards. So my equation, $539 for installation plus $6.50 per yard is going to be the total cost. The solution, I'm going to solve, they say it's 6 by 8, so that's 48 yards, 48 square yards rather. So 539 plus 6.5 times 48 equals y. And gracious, I forgot my calculator. It's time to bust out the multiplication. So I've got 40, 52, 20, 26. Yeah. And that's going to be 0, 2, 1, 3. 539 plus 312 equals y. So we'll get, gracious, and I got to do that too. $851. Alright. Sliding it up. Last problem on this page. Mary is 8 years younger than her brother Jacob. So I'm going to have x be Mary. So if Mary is x years old, then her brother is her age plus 8. So Mary is x, and her brother is x plus 8. Their combined age, so sum, is 38. How old are they? Well, 2x plus 8 is 38. So move the 8. 2x is equal to 30. X is equal to 15. So Mary is 15. And Jacob is 8 years old. 23. See if we can't get some of this next page done. Alright. Define a variable. So we're going to let x equal our yoga classes. And we have $19.95 for the mat, plus $10 per class is equal to $139.95. We subtract the $19.95 from both sides and we'll get 10x is equal to 120. So they took 12 classes. School library has $1,200. We're going to let x be the number of magazines. Average cost is $30 per magazine subscription. And we decided to spend $870 on books. So our equation is $30 per magazine subscription plus $870 on books equals something. We're going to subtract the $870 from both sides. That's going to leave us with $330. We divide both sides by 30. and I'm going to get 11 magazine subscriptions. Next problem. We're moving dorms. X is going to be my number of hours. I've got $15 per hour plus a $5 dolly rental, and I spent $80. So if I subtract the 5 from both sides, 15x is going to be 75. Divide by 15, and x will be 5. Remember, the dolly, you only have to pay $5 to get the dolly, and then you just give it back. So we'll not have an x next to it. The difference between a number and 3 is at least 2. So x is going to be my number. So the difference between x and 3 is at least 2. If I add the 3 to both sides, x is greater than 5. My next one. 3 times a number is greater than 4 times the number less 8. X is going to be my number. 3 times a number is greater than 4 times a number less 8. So 3x is greater than 4x minus 8. I'm going to pull that 4x from both sides. Negative x is greater than negative 8. At this point, I'm going to pull off that negative. And x sign flips divided by negative. X is less than positive 8. Fantastic. Let's go on to that last, we got 6 minutes. We're going to have to do the last page on a separate video.